with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos, what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you'll like the videos, subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you.
The black community has lost the universal humane culture back a few generations. We should rebuild a community that shows respect to each other just for common sense sake. A community that should understand that if we don't respect ourselves, no one else will. This lack of basic human accountability from the young generation on an individual level needs to stop. Things need to revert back to the notion that whatever you do is a reflection on the whole community, holding everyone accountable for their actions and conduct on display every day. We shouldn't allow the next generation to grow up without having basic human standards of order.
Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too.
Having a lack of culture adherence lets everyone just run amok and are not accountable for their actions. This cultureless community enables the corrupt individuals to go around unchecked. We are responsible for how the world views and looks at our community as a collective. For too long, our community has been considered a dysfunctional part of society. We haven't required any standards of behavior from generation to generation. That must stop now, so our future generations can be productive and prosper to success. The standards must be re-emphasized and cover normal, basic, respectable behavior. These standards will enable our community to focus on moral values that are acceptable around the world. Values that can define what type of community we want to be known for around the world. The impression that we project to the world comes from how we think of ourselves. The cavalier attitude that we let our young community members display every day has consequences. It is a poison that affects our young people who have no self-respecting values. This valueless attitude is a cancer that is destroying our community. We must rebuild our standards of value that our community will be proud to display. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.
Everybody knows what they bout to hear. More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family. And his words is bonds will stand with thee.